Hey there, this is Watson from 911 Studios. And today we're going to take a look at the Klipsch reference R-10SW 10-inch 300 watt powered subwoofer, and it comes in black. It's got about 1,400 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.8 out of 5 stars. Very nice. There's also a newer model available of this sub, and Klipsch makes other great speakers, so check those out as well. This has a powerful 10-inch copper-spun front-firing woofer, all-digital amplifier, and it delivers 300 watts of dynamic power. So it's great for impressive music and movies. It's got the low-pass crossover and phase control, and it's about 14 inches tall by 12 inches wide and 15.7 inches deep. It also has line and LFE inputs for compatibility with most receivers. Now let me share with you a short but helpful review from Alex, a verified purchaser, called Clean, Tight Bass. I own the 10-inch and the 12-inch. The 10 puts out cleaner, tighter bass compared to the 12. The 12 obviously has more oomph, but the 10-inch will get the job done. I'm in love with both. So there you go. Put some bass in your living space. Check out this Klipsch reference R-10SW powered subwoofer today. You're gonna love it.